sure you would like to buy this house?
Yes, I'm sure. Why wouldn't I? Out of all things, I would love to buy this house.
Are you sure? This house costs a lot of money.
I'm like the richest person in this entire city. Just let me buy the house. It's okay. Don't worry. She's not yelling. It's just a little upsetting.
Ma'am, do you want to move anything into this house?
Oh, yeah, actually, once we take a tour, once we buy the house and take a tour, and then, yeah.
Okay.
Shh, don't cry.
Okay, ma'am, this house is officially yours. Just goodbye.
No tour? That guy sucks. Okay, Builder Man, do you have the keys? Actually, no, Do you have the keys?
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Oh, does that other guy have the keys?
Yes.
Oh, come on! Marina, go get him. Okay. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not Marina. Oh, sorry. Names. I'm gonna go get him. Get back here! Oh, yes, I have the keys. Here you go. Wait. Here's the keys. Have a nice day. Bye!
And he still didn't give us a tour. Can you give us a tour?
No, we should be fine. I don't think we need a tour, actually. We just gotta take the babies inside, get all the stuff set up. Oh yeah, the babies are ubiquitous. Okay, back that on. Okay, unlock this. Oh, I fell. How dare I fall? Let's try to unlock this house. Everyone else, come on. Let's go. Finally got it open! Oh yeah, let's go.
He's crying.
Okay, you know what? This needs to get rid of the second floor. Builderman! Take the floor down!
Okay.
I didn't get it out.
Here.
Perfect. Everything's finished. Now we have to get our stuff in. And the babies.
Goodbye.
Let's go! Okay, let's do this. Put the babies in first. Okay, the babies are in. Okay, everyone else, lock the door. Well, not literally. One. Okay, so right now we have to put in our
No, let's
beds.
just stay. Come on. Let's just stay.